Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw, NBI press briefing Ito ay isang malungkot ako, sabi ni Tebes na makukulong ako kahit di pa convicted. Ayon kay Tebes. Alright, intro muna tayo. Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw, Tebes malungkot na sinabi na makukulong siya kahit hindi pa raw siya convicted. Alright, panoorin po natin itong ating NBI press briefing sa ANC. Alright?
Government, Timor-Leste government, through our very own president. No, remember during the last week lamang nasa Malaysia si Presidente at nagkausap sila ni Timor-Leste President. So eto na po yung naging bunga ng magandang pakipagtunguhan ng dalawang bansa through our respected presidents.
Oh. Director, can we also ask po, Kong Tevez, is it okay po?
Tingnan natin kung sasagot siya. Sige po.
Hi, sir. Sir, how do you feel now po na after 2 years, finally you're back in the country po? And how do you feel na, kasi di ba meron kayong pending pa na appeal for asylum, tapos inuwi po kayo, pinayagan po ng Timor-Leste government na makabalik kayo sa Pilipinas despite na pending pa yung appeal?
Yes, because actually, dun kasi, I've been there for 2 years. I know quite how the government there works, no? So, there's this judicial thing, but there is also what they call it something like political, which is the government. Iba pa yung iba pa yung presidente doon, iba pa yun sa government Government there is different. Their president is something like parang king ba, para siyang figurehead, yes. So there are several factors there which are distinct and separate, but as to who is more powerful, and I cannot say anymore, no? Because sa totoo lang, I just want with finality.
2 years pala nagtago to, no, sa Pilipinas. At kaya pinadampot na rin.
My case in extradition, but they used another thing about expulsion, which technically I still had a few days to reply, but hindi ko alam ano nangyari. Kasi sige na lang, tapos na yun. I mean, useless discussing things, I mean, over spilled milk, no? But sa totoo lang, of course, malungkot ako dahil syempre makukulong ako na habang makukulong ako. So, kahit hindi pa, diba, dito kasi makukulong ka kahit hindi ka pa convicted, no? But may mga ano naman yun, si Attorney Ferdinand bahala. But what I'm saying, on the other hand, I'm also glad that I haven't seen my mother for 2 years. My father died last December, hindi naman lang ako nakauwi. So it was quite painful. And also, at least, maano na rin.
At least nakauwi raw siya ng Pilipinas, no? Kahit nakapiling niya kanyang mga relatives. Alright?
Matapos na rin. Dahil kahit nung nandun ako, inisip ko, kung hindi man ako umuwi, haharapin, kailangan pa din ito matapos Ito lang sana yung request ko sa sa korte na sana mabilis yung kaso. Dahil sa totoo lang, kung tatrabahoin talaga yung kaso, sandali lang naman sandali lang matapos kung So, yun lang yung Anyway, I believe I trust my lawyers very well. I know my conscience is clear. So, ang sa akin lang, sana lang mabilis yung proseso para matapos na. Diba? Matapos na siya. Para tapos na. Thank you.
Again, we kindly advise the ex-congressman of his rights. The good counsel may answer for his client. Thank you, sir. Next.
Hi, sir. Good morning. I am Camille Samonte from TV5. Question po kay Mr. Tevez. Sir, just want to get your reaction dun sa naging statement ng government ng Timor-Leste. They were saying that one of the reasons why they decided to deport you is because of the implication of the national security ng bansa nila. Kung baga sinasabi nila, yung pananatili mo doon ay nakakaapekto sa kanilang security?
Siguro si Attorney Topacio na lang ang mas competent sumagot niyan. Attorney Topacio, sir?
Ano lang.
Yes, okay.
Ganito lang yon. Kung sino man nagsabi nun, everyone in this world are entitled to their own perception. Yun lang.
Thank you. Counsel, may answer, please.
I affirm the statement of my client. Thank you.
Okay, last na lang po from my end. Sir Teves, you mentioned earlier na you know na darating din naman yung punto na haharapin mo rin itong mga kaso. Why did it take you so long to stay in Timor-Leste? Bakit hindi na lang po natin hinarap ito sa korte?
I am I mean, a lot of you here know me ever since my days in Congress. I'm a very honest and sincere person. I will be very consistent. Even our pleadings in court, I had not had, even now, still have, but of course, here I feel safer with the NBI because salamat ako kay Director at sa lahat ng staff ng NBI na maganda yung pagtrato nila sa akin mula nung pagkuha sa akin hanggang ngayon. So, my concern is really my life, my security.
Handa na po kayong harapin si Mayor Janice Digamo?
Wala naman problema. I mean, I can face anybody in this world.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Kindly address your questions to the good counsel. Next.
Good morning po. Kay Attorney Tocacio po. Attorney, now that meron na pong movement itong ating kaso, ano na po yung mga next steps po natin and yung mga plano pa po natin na gagawin?
Mike, sir.
Well, I cannot comment in detail on that because ngayon pong nasa territorial jurisdiction na ng Pilipinas si Ginoong Teves at may kaso po, maraming kaso katulad naman po ng nabanggit ng ating napakagandang Chief of Staff ng NBI, that sub judice rule now applies. Suffice it to state that the lawyers who comprise the team to defend Mr. Teves will do everything under the law to give him our best defense. Doon na lang po natin iwanan yun. Thank you.
Okay po. Kay na Director na lang din po, sa kay Chief Lotok. Kamusta po yung pag-serve pala po natin ng warrant, sir? May naging problem po ba tayo dun sa pag-bring up sa kanya? Yung date lang po kung kailan po kayo pumunta doon, tapos kailan po siya na-process po ng ganito. Sige po.
Good morning. Meron ho kaming prepare na presentation, yung timeline of events. Sir, if I may,
Yes.
ipakita po natin sa kanila. Jet?
May we invite your attention to the screens for the video presentation.
Yeah, so yung first slide, Jet, please. So this is all about deportation and handover proceeding, as well as service of warrant of arrest against Sir Arnolfo Arnitebes Jr. here. Next slide, please. So May 27, we saw.
Alright, ayan, napakinggan at napanood po natin na ito ay sa NBI, no? At ukol kay Tebes, malungkot ako kasi makukulong kahit di pa convicted daw. Pero willing na siyang harapin ang batas. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakinig. Care of Trip and peace out.